Vicky here with you, and I hope you had wonderful Christmas with your family. And today I'm here to do an unboxing from Inloveart. As you know, I love their stuff, and I've got some goodies that I can use for making cards, and I'm thinking I'm going to be using it on Monday. I know I said I was going to use the owls, but I think I'll do some of the owl and then I'll use it the following week. But let's check out what's in the bag. By the way, in the description box below you'll find all the links to all the products that are in this bag, and you will also find a discount code for 25% off your purchase. So hope you go and check it out. So here we go. I chose these especially to make some cards because I wanted to make some different type of cards, and cards that were not Christmas related, because I'm all Christmased out. So here are the goodies, and I thought they were going to be amazing. So this is a paper pack, and I think it's called Night Cherries, and there's some beautiful paper in here, which I thought was going to be amazing for this. So you've got this pale one. They're perfect for spring, for, you know, Valentine's Day that's coming. Just, I love cherry blossoms. And just really versatile and sweet. So you've got 2 sheets of each of the patterns, and there's 24 sheets in all. So that's the first item. And then the next item here is 50 pieces, and it's all stickers, vinyl stickers that you could use on anything, but I thought they would be good to use on this to make some cards. So there's something like always stay humble and kind. There's all kinds of words on here. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Follow your heart. Imagine this on one of those. It's gonna be just perfect. I'm gonna bring you down just a tad. It's gonna be just perfect. Make your own kind of music. Find your happily ever after. Smile, sparkle, shine. I was made for sunny days. Be the change you wish to see in the world. I believe in the power of yet. Keep moving forward. Radiate positivity. So you fight until you can't fight anymore. From Amelia Shepherd. You can do this. Don't trip over something that is behind you. I'm not sure that one. Memories take us back, dreams take us forward. Always be kind, don't worry, be happy. Anything's possible if you've got enough nerve. Every ending is a new beginning. Don't forget the happy thoughts. So like there's a ton of these, and you can imagine that this is going to be really fun in this, with this paper pack. And then I got this here, which are all types of different frames and different little embellishment, die cuts and such, which I thought were also going to be amazing for this. So like you can use the frame, and then I imagined that you could put one of the sentiments, but you could also just put stuff that's like already in there, but it all comes apart, and I just thought it was going to be amazing for this. And then you've got a bunch of different little die cuts. So aren't these just adorable? I just love, I fell in love with these, and I'm thinking that they're going to be amazing for cards. So there's 35 pieces overall. And then the final thing that I got was these here, which are all beautiful little charms, enamel charms, and they're all little flowers. So you've got all kinds of different ones. And I just thought these make great embellishment on card with a ribbon and just a little added something. And especially with, like I said, spring that eventually will come. These are all like so gorgeous. So these are all the items that I chose to play with this time around. I hope you like them. I think they will be a lot of fun, especially like all the pink. Like that pink is going to be perfect with this. It actually looks like some of the flowers that are in here, like that one. See? And if you put a heart, and oh, I just have so many ideas. So that will be the video for this coming Monday. You will see me use some of these goodies. And so go and check them out. In the description box below, you'll find, as I said, the link to all the products, as well as a discount code for 25% off, which is not negligible. So hope you are all well, and I will see you soon. Bye!